Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this bob that was self-cut and self-styled by moi. Okay, so yeah, if you guys want to see the process of how I achieved this cute hairstyle and how I revived the nonsense hair that it was to what it is right now, please keep on watching. Okay, so for this transformation, I'm starting off with this old unit. So I purchased this from AliExpress. This is from Van Love Hair, and it's in the length 22, and I believe it was about $113. Yeah, you guys. So I mean, it's not like the best quality of hair anyways, but it does get the job done, and it's just like a lace frontal, not like a 360 wig or anything. So I was just kind of getting tired of it being long, and as you can see, it just kind of like, I don't know, I feel like it tangles, and the long is just stressful to keep for this hair, you know, for this hair texture and type. I have had it for a couple months though, so maybe about 6 or 7 months. I mean, I don't wear it every day, but you know. So anyways, I'm putting it to the mannequin head, and then I'm just brushing it out, and I'm spritzing some water on it just to like wet the hair, and I'm gonna just go ahead and start like plucking the frontal a little bit more. When it first came, I plucked it a little bit, but I just feel like sometimes like frontals, you need to like re-pluck them again and make them look better, because when you've had it for a little while, eventually, you know, it's not going to look the exact same. So you want to make it fresh and brand new. So that's what I'm pretty much doing, sectioning it out, leaving out some baby hairs in front, and then kind of just pre-plucking from the inner portions. And I'm just going to be taking my time on this. If you guys want to see like a more detailed like video of just me strictly like plucking my frontals, then let me know. But for this is just for like to show you guys like the full process that I went through. And this does take a lot of time, and I did lose a lot of hair, but I wasn't able to show you guys. But I'm just going to be showing you guys one side on camera, and then move on to something else. Alright, now that I'm all plucking, look how beautiful that hairline looks. It looks so good, you guys. So now I'm going to go ahead and start cutting this hair, and there are a couple methods to cut your hair. I've done like the rubber band method, where you like put a rubber band and cut it. I don't particularly like that method. I would really advise that either you do it this way, or honestly the best way for me would be to use like clippers, like the clippers that guys used to cut their hair. You just get it's just more efficient, and you get the hair like all in the same like layer at the same time, especially if you're doing like more of like a blunt cut and not like a tapered cut. So yeah, this took me a lot of time using like this manual method, and I wanted to take my time, so I was doing like little sections at a time, so it did take a lot of time. However, like I said, I have done like the rubber band, where you put a rubber band on it and then cut the bottom of underneath the rubber band. For me, that was just annoying, because like having to like level it up was pretty strenuous. So I would say if you're doing like, you want to do a blunt like equal taper, like equal cut all around, then I wouldn't suggest that. I would just say some clippers, and just like, it's so easy. I saw one of my friends doing one of her videos, and it was just like, oh my god. But I didn't have time to buy clippers, and honestly I didn't know I was going to use it again. But maybe if I will cut my hair in the future, I will go purchase some, because I think you can get it at Walmart or like Walgreens. But yeah, I'm pretty much just going to be doing this for all the rest of my hair, and leveling it, whoa, I can't talk, leveling it up as I go through the hair. Like I said, this process did take me some time, so I will advise that you actually just get some clippers and get clipper friendly, okay? But yeah, so at this point you can just pretty much watch me just cut this hair.
So as soon as I'm scissor happy, and I feel like, you know, most of it is evened out to the best of my knowledge, I just go ahead and lay my edges or put the wig on and then wrap my edges down. And then I'm just gonna pass like a flat iron through it and just kind of like bob the ends just a little bit. I noticed that whenever I try to like bob it a lot higher, it didn't come out the way I wanted it to. So I literally was just bobbing like the very tip of the hair. So, and yeah, this is pretty much all I did to achieve this bob hairstyle. Like I did say, this was not as the most efficient process, but you can try other methods.
So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I will see y'all in my next one. I hope you guys subscribe if you haven't already. Join my family, please, and thank you. And you know, we are growing and glowing, so let's do that. Let's do that. Be in that positive vibe, be in that positive space. Yes. And follow me on all my social media platforms. Like this video if you like it. Leave a comment down below. Just share with your friends. You know, just do a little something for your girl. And I will see y'all in my next one. God willing, stay beautiful. Choose you, and God bless.